The concept of a scientific revolution is historically associated with breakthroughs in human knowledge, such as the works of Copernicus, Newton, and Einstein, but the 21st century is now experiencing what many call the scientific revolution in other, notably connected artificial intelligence, biotechnology, quantum computing, and data science. Our understanding of biology and even the nature of knowledge is being rapidly transformed. ###1 Structural and Mechanical Studies. Artificial intelligence, AI, is at the center of the current scientific revolution. Unlike previous developments, AI doesn't just support scientific discoveries, it really changes the way science is done. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns and predict outcomes, accelerating research in areas ranging from genomics to climate science. A prime example of the impact of AI is AlphaFold by DeepMind, an AI model that accurately predicts protein structures. These developments have important implications for understanding diseases and developing new therapies, as proteins are essential components of all biological functions. Within months of its release, AlphaFold helped researchers identify proteins that would otherwise have taken years to achieve using traditional methods. The concept of a scientific revolution is historically associated with breakthroughs in human knowledge, such as the works of Copernicus, Newton, and Einstein, but the 21st century is now experiencing what many call the scientific revolution in other, notably connected artificial intelligence, biotechnology, quantum computing, and data science. Our understanding of biology and even the nature of knowledge is being rapidly transformed. 1. Structural and Mechanical Studies. Artificial intelligence, AI, is at the center of the current scientific revolution. Unlike previous developments, AI doesn't just support scientific discoveries, it really changes the way science is done. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns and predict outcomes, accelerating research in areas ranging from genomics to climate science. A prime example of the impact of AI is AlphaFold by DeepMind, an AI model that accurately predicts protein structures. These developments have important implications for understanding diseases and developing new therapies, as proteins are essential components of all biological functions. Within months of its release, AlphaFold helped researchers identify proteins that would otherwise have taken years to achieve using traditional methods. AI also plays an important role in drug discovery. Conventional drug development is a long and expensive process, and many potential treatments fail during clinical trials. AI, on the other hand, can analyze billions of drugs over the course of several days to determine which ones are most likely to succeed. This approach dramatically reduces the time and cost of bringing new drugs to market, which was evident during the COVID-19 pandemic, where AI-driven research helped accelerate the development of vaccines. 2. Biotechnology and Genetics. Biotechnology has grown exponentially, largely driven by advances in genetic engineering, CRISPR-Cas9, and biotechnology. CRISPR, a tool that allows scientists to edit genes with unprecedented precision, has opened doors to treat genetic diseases once considered incurable. Researchers are exploring how CRISPR can be used to build specific genes have been improved in rheumatoid arthritis, cystic fibrosis, and even some cancers. Moreover, biology pushes the boundaries by enabling scientists to reprogram organisms for different purposes. Biology has already developed genetically engineered bacteria that can break down plastic and plants designed to absorb more carbon from the atmosphere. As our understanding of genetics grows stronger, biology can lead to the creation of new life forms designed to solve specific problems, and can transform industries such as agriculture, the environment, meeting science and medicine. 3. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a technology that is still in its infancy and has incredible potential to revolutionize scientific research. Unlike classical computers that deal with bits of information, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at the same time, and because of the principles of superposition and entanglement, this allows them to perform complex calculations faster than conventional computers. Quantum computing could revolutionize fields such as cryptography, chemistry, and physics. For example, quantum computers in the materials sciences can simulate the behavior of molecules at the quantum level, allowing the discovery of new materials with desirable properties in electronics, energy conservation and chemistry, as quantum simulations have chemistry and can help model the dynamics of complex molecular interactions in drug discovery and drug personalization. Still facing technological challenges, companies like IBM, Google and emerging quantum startups race to build robust, scalable quantum systems in the coming decades. Quantum computing could open up trouble species previously thought to be uncontrollable, leading us to a new era of scientific exploration. 4. Big data and the information age. In today's world, the massive amount of data generated every second gives scientists unparalleled insights into a variety of phenomena. In the age of big data, everything from climate science to neuroscience has been transformed, as researchers are now able to examine patterns that would otherwise go unnoticed with microscopic data. COVID-19 highlighted the value of interdisciplinary collaboration, as scientists around the world collaborated on sharing data, designing clinical trials, and using AI to analyze epidemiological data. This led to rapidly effective vaccines within a year, a practice that has been common for a decade or more. As global issues are addressed, such interdisciplinary collaborations are expected to become the norm, ushering in a new era of science in a collaborative and holistic effort. 6. Moral considerations and the human dimension. These revolutionary developments also brought ethical concerns to the fore. Technologies such as genetic engineering, AI, and quantum computing pose ethical challenges in terms of privacy, security, and social impact. For example, CRISPR raises questions about programmed babies and the possibility of unintended consequences in the genome. Similarly, AI-powered surveillance technologies could compromise privacy, while quantum computing poses a potential threat to data security. The scientific community is increasingly paying attention to these ethical issues, with researchers advocating for responsible science for the benefit of all humanity. Ethics commissions, laws, and public discourse play an important role in how these technologies are used in 2010, ensuring that these changes serve the public good rather than create new inequalities. 7. The future of the scientific revolution. As this technology matures, we may see scientific progress continue to accelerate. The convergence of AI, biotechnology, quantum computing and data science represents a tipping point where the boundaries of what we thought was possible are being redrawn every day. These changes have the potential to not only transform industry but reshape society, from extending life to tackling climate change. But the full impact of this scientific revolution will depend on how we use these advances responsibly. Through collaboration, ethical considerations and sustained innovation, humanity has the opportunity to usher in a new era in which science enhances our understanding of the world and improves lives for generations to come. This ongoing scientific revolution promises a future in which the impossible becomes possible, paving the way for discoveries and innovations once confined to science fiction. The journey has only just begun, and with every new development we are reminded that the quest for knowledge is the most profound and most sustainable human endeavors.